Hello, my name is Jesse Kelly. I'm 24 years old and I live in Austin, Texas. I'm a graduate student in mathematics here in Austin, and in addition to being a graduate student, I'm also a filmmaker, musician, and photographer. A few years ago when I finished my undergrad, I decided to go to Morocco. And the reason I went to Morocco is because I absolutely love Moroccan food. And a parallel between Morocco and Austin are actually the prevalence of street vendors. There's a lot of street vendors selling food in Morocco, and there's all these great food trailers in Austin. I love Austin. It's a great city. There's bicycling, rock climbing, there's even scuba diving. And I love to do all those things, but what I love even more is food. I am just crazy about food. So today I'd like to give you a little taste of the Austin food culture by taking you on a bicycle tour of the many food trucks that we have here in Austin.